This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting pills early, open chests, and visit arcades. Once you pick up a pill, check its icon and color. Many effects are consistent, but some are random. You should use your first pill in a safe room so you can test outcomes without pressure. Make sure to note bad trip and health-affecting pills before using them during boss fights. Don't waste time on inventory screens. Drop or pick up to cycle quickly and get a feel for pool behavior. Once done with basics, manage pills strategically. Learn which items alter pill pools and which pills trigger transformations. You should combine pills with active tools. Hold a pill before using the glowing hourglass to replay a beneficial result, or re-roll into a pill with the D6 to try for a different color. Make sure to account for character-specific resistances. Some characters react worse to health loss or poison. Keep a mental log of tested pills, so you can prioritize useful ones. To finish, apply pills only when you know the result. Save risky uses for rooms where escape is easy. If you encounter inconsistent pill behavior, reload the save or restart the run. Pill pools can glitch if mods or certain items interact unpredictably. Make sure to test every new pill type on a neutral floor without shops or curses so you avoid compounded effects. If things go wrong, pause, backtrack to a safe room, and reevaluate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.